Good morning students. Today we can start exercise 12.2. So in this exercise, before we are starting this exercise, you should learn two equations. Okay, three equations you should learn here. So you should understood with two words. First is sector and the another one is segment. So sometimes if you want to calculate area of sector, sometimes if you want to calculate area of segment, you should understand what is the meaning of sector and what is the meaning of segment. These words you learn in the previous classes also. Okay, I will tell you one more time. If you are drawing one circle here, I am drawing two radius from the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle. This is two radius. This is first radius. This is second radius. Correct? So now we got one portion. This is the major portion and this is the minor portion. This portion is the minor portion. Rest is the major portion. Correct? It is dividing into two parts. Correct? These two radius is dividing this circle into two parts. So major part we can call it as major sector. This is called sector. Okay. And this part we can call it as minor sector. Okay. Next I am drawing one circle. This is the center of the circle. I am drawing one chord here. You know that what is chord. Chord. Okay. So this portion we can call, if we are drawing a chord, it is dividing into two parts. One part is this one and the another part is this one. This portion we can call it as segment. Okay, this is minor segment, this is major segment. So the portion of the circle and circular region enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc is called sector. This is called sector. Okay, sector of the circle. And the portion of the circular region enclosed between chord, this is one chord, enclosed between chord and the corresponding arc. This is the chord and this is the corresponding arc, and this is the chord. Corresponding arc is this one also, is called segment of the circle. So this is the sector portion and this is the segment portion. Okay, so you do not confuse these two words. So if you want to calculate area of sector of angle, so suppose this angle is given. Suppose this is equal to 40 degree. Okay, now we got this is equal to 40 degree. 40 degree is given. Then if we have this angle, if you want to calculate area of sector of angle theta, this angle I am representing it as theta. Okay, how can we calculate area of this sector? This theta, that means this angle divided by 360 into pi r square. Pi r square is the area of circle, correct? Next we want to divide this angle divided by the total. In the center of the circle, what is the degree here? 360 degree. So theta divided by 360 into pi r square is the area of the sector. Okay, next if you want to calculate the length of an arc of a sector of angle theta, so this is angle theta, this is the arc, correct? So if you want to calculate the length of an arc of the sector, so if you want to calculate this length of the arc, you can use another equation. So length of arc, sorry, so length of this arc, if you want to calculate length of arc of sector of angle theta. So if we have this theta degree and this is the sector, if you want to calculate this length, arc length, how can we calculate? Same, starting with the same, theta divided by 360 into, instead of this area you should write the circumference of the circle, 2 pi r. Here it is pi r square because this is related to area. Here it is related to length, that means related to circumference. So theta divided by 360, theta divided by 360, both are same. Here it is pi r square, here it is 2 pi r. Okay. Next, area of the segment. If you want to calculate area of one segment, so I am drawing one circle here. This is the center of the circle. This is one portion here. So I am drawing. This is the chord. Okay, I am marking it as A, B, P. So this is R. This is chord, correct? So this is the segment. So if you want to calculate area of segment APB, how can you calculate area of this portion? How can you calculate here area of this sector? This is center OAPB. First of all, you should calculate this sector area, whole area. Okay, so area of sector OAPB. First, you should calculate the area of sector by using this equation. Again, you should subtract this triangle portion. Correct? So, minus area of triangle OAB. Then you will get the remaining portion, this one. This portion you will get. The whole sector area minus this triangle area, you will get the segment APB area. Okay. So by using this, you can do the exercise problems.